Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to survivor tokens in Last Warp, the updated method for 2025. Yes, it is still working. So let's dive right in. Survivor tokens are used to enhance your survivor's abilities, but not just any survivor. You can only use these tokens on epic or legendary survivors, the ones marked in purple and orange. So unfortunately, if you're rocking mostly commoner survivors, those white and blue ones, you won't be able to enhance them with these tokens. To get started, go to your talent hall if you have not built it yet. That's your first task. Once it's up and running, open it up and then select the survivor you want to upgrade. Now keep in mind you'll need both survivor tokens and specific survivor fragments. Tokens are the general currency for enhancement, while the fragments must watch the survivor you're enhancing. Once you have both, you can enhance your chosen survivor. This makes them strong during deployment, whether that's it in battle, defense, or other missions. So, just to recap, only epic and legendary survivors are eligible. You need both tokens and matching fragments, and the upgrade happens inside the talent hall. Simple, right? If this helped you out, drop a like and consider subscribing for more fast, clear tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.